Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to change your Facebook profile to digital creator on Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now, to change your Facebook profile to a digital creator on Facebook, first open up our Facebook app. After opening your Facebook app, the interface will be similar to this, where you will be able to see your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, just below the home icon. First tap on your profile icon like this, and over here guys you can see the three dotted icon just beside the edit profile button. Tap on the three dotted icon like this, and over here guys you can see there is the turn on professional music option available for us. First tap on that turn on professional mode. And guys, you must know a thing before we proceed, that is, by turning on the professional mode you will enable the digital creator profile on your Facebook profile from now on. So let's do that. Let's tap on the turn on button, and guys you will be required to enter or finish setting up your profile by completing all of these steps. You can see guys, I have skipped one, whereas I have completed all of the tasks or the profile setup given by the Facebook or asked by the Facebook. After you have completed all these steps as I have done, your profile will be changed to a digital creator. So let's reload this, and you can see guys, we are currently seeing the digital content creator at the profile section at the details, and over here guys you can see the digital creator over here, which means guys our Facebook profile has been changed to the professional mode, declaring that now our profile or my profile is a digital creator. Over here you can see, and then guys, this is how you change your Facebook profile to a digital creator. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.